Now this lecture basically concludes this section, and we have covered a huge amount. You know, at the very beginning we were choosing that product, we were talking about how to find it. We then touched on your ideal customer and how you should be writing for them, and then the 9-point checklist through to actually writing a review, the comparison page, and linking the whole thing up, of course, with Amazon to make sure you get paid for all this hard work. So, you know, if you're still with me at this point, really massive congratulations. You've made it a fantastic step forward, and I hope you're super excited about all the other good stuff that's still to come in this course. So what now are the next steps? Well, the thing I really recommend you do, 100% recommend you do, is write 2 or 3 product reviews. That's going to establish your style, it's going to build your confidence, and you're going to start building out the site with some really fantastic content. And that would then naturally lead out to building out your product comparison page that we just looked at, and that's obviously a much easier stage, you know, just listing those things in the table as I suggested. You don't have to do it that way, but you know, list them in some way that's very easy and intuitive for the user to discover the products on your site. And lastly, start to think about design. Focus on design. I put maybe choose an appropriate theme. Okay, we don't need to go crazy on design quite yet, because we've got some massively important stuff to do with SEO and driving traffic to your store to come up. But you know, really think about design. Hopefully you've got a logo now, hopefully you've got the domain, all the things that I've done, and you might want to start putting your stamp on there with your own design. So I encourage you to look at the themes, perhaps see which one might be good for you. Maybe not take it immediately, but you know, start to think about the identity of your store going forward. So there we go. Super congratulations again. This is really great stuff. Now in this next section I've got a lot to talk to you about SEO. If you've never done it before, the whole thing is designed with the beginner in mind. So let's crack on and really build out something special.